It turns out there's all sorts of tricks you can do, even with stuff you might have laying around the house or that you can get easily at a Home Depot, for example. Take rope. Paul can do this really cool trick with rope where if you just swing it just right, you can throw a knot in it. So that's pretty cool. Doesn't take much, but it does take a little bit of knowing what you need for a rope and how to tie it. So Paul's going to walk us through that.
Yeah, for this particular rope trick, what we're going to do is we're going to get some braided nylon rope. You can get these from Home Depot or Lowe's, any kind of big store. And you want to get rope that does not have a core.
So it's nice and bendy.
Yeah, nice and bendy. Sometimes you'll see this blue and white stripe that does have a core. What you can do is at the end just sort of spread it apart and then pull out the core. We're going to be getting a length of about 2 feet. A little bit less, 20 inches is fine. So you're going to get 2 feet of rope, and on one end of the rope, you're going to tie a knot.
Okay, just a basic knot?
Yeah, just a half hitch, go around and through. And you want it at the very end. So if you do it and you have a little bit of, yeah, you get a little bit, you can just kind of work it down, work the knot down there so it's at the very end. Then you want to get it nice and tight. Yeah, good.
All right, I think
nice
I got
job.
it.
Yeah. And
That's it?
Yeah, and the instructions for this is pretty simple. You swing the knot out, and then you push at it as it's coming back toward you. So you swing it out, push.
Yeah,
push.
I got it.
Hey, all right. Swing, push. Well, I'll keep working on it. But there you go. Throw
Have
a knot
fun
in
at
the
Home
rope.
Depot.